It may seem impossible to eliminate duty fees on imported goods, but it is possible with Section 321. And here's how it works. Step 1. Import your goods to Canada or Mexico. This allows brands to become eligible for duty deferral or drawback programs. Step 2. Goods are received and put away in a Canada-based or Mexico-based warehouse. Step 3. A U.S. customer places an order of $800 or less. Because of Section 321, U.S. customers are entitled to have up to $800 in goods shipped to them per day duty-free. Step 4. The order is sent across the border with no customs delays and delivered to the domestic carrier of choice. Step 5. The order continues its journey and is delivered to the customer. Step 6. Once the order has been delivered to your customer, the duty drawback can be submitted and received back to the brand. Taxes and tariffs can fluctuate on imported goods from other countries. At the end of 2024, Mexico increased its tariff on imported apparel to 35%, causing a spike on pricing for brands. Flexibility is important. LVK has warehouse locations in Canada and the US, making it possible for us to take advantage of Section 321. We know it's not the easiest process to master, but LVK works with you to help you navigate the ever-changing landscape of international e-commerce. Contact us to find out how LVK can help you leverage Section 321.